G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. The time is 5 to 10 in the morning and I'm just about to make my way down to the beach. Now I also just filled up the bird bath there with fresh water and cleaned the old stuff out. Had ice in it. I'll show you. There's some of the ice shards down there. So I'll let these birds feed for a bit. Two down there. I think there's 3, maybe 4, I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's 4 and there's another bird feeder. Look at the colours of this one. I've got some magpies coming up. I might scare them off. Oh no. I need magpies. Ah well. There's 2 up there, another bird feeder, and 2 on the ground. See, magpies are very, very messy. This one has the white beak. I think that must be the mother or the older one. And this one here has the black beak. And this one looks a lot younger because it's still got the black on the back as well. Oh well. Not much I can do about this. Oh, I'll just let them all eat. And I'll head off down the beach. I just flicked seeds all over the other one. Oh, that's funny. Just flick it all over it. Magpies are messy eaters when it comes to this. Good, no, moving out of the way. Oh well. I'm going to head off. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.